With a lot of business going online in 2020, people need webcams. But have you noticed they're insanely hard to find, at least the good ones? Today I'm going to show you a special trick to turn your Canon DSLR into a webcam. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload new video. Alright, today I'm just shooting this video with the camera that is built into my computer. But if you haven't noticed, the quality is much lower than what I usually use. So I'm going to show you a little trick how you can take a camera like this and use it as a webcam for your computer. So you're going to need to download the EOS Webcam Utility for Canon. Not every camera is supported, but a lot of them are. This is their official list of cameras they say are supported with this. But I can tell you for a fact that there are more cameras that are supported because the camera that I actually am using is a 60D and it is not listed here. What I ended up doing was I used the EOS 80D and it worked. So if you don't have a camera that is supported here and you have an old EOS camera from Canon, it may still work. So once you've downloaded and installed this utility, make sure that the original utility that was installed when you got your camera is set to do not launch EOS utility automatically when camera is connected. The reason why you do not want that utility to launch when your camera is connected is because then that utility will see your camera and the webcam utility will not. So I'm just going to plug the cable into the camera and turn the camera on. So this is the video that is coming from my DSLR. My mouth isn't quite synced in the video because it's running through BeLive and nothing ever looks quite synced when you're looking at it in this screen. But that's it. That's a much higher quality camera, and if you have a 4K camera it would work as well. But this particular camera is only 1080p, it's a 60D, and it's running off the EOS 80D utility and not a 60D utility. So if it doesn't work on the first utility you try, if you don't have a officially supported camera, give this one a try. So I hope that this actually really helped you guys out. Hey, if you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload new video. If you have any requests for videos, let me know in the comments. I want to make videos on subjects that you want to learn about. I know that this video is just a little bit off topic for my channel, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this was an option as a way that you could have higher quality video and not have to depend on the built-in webcam that came with your computer and not have to go out and buy one if you have one of these lying around. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure that you check out my OBS live streaming playlist. Are you going to turn your Canon EOS DSLR into a webcam? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.